Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and we are on a 2026 Boston Whaler 325 Conquest. This boat is powered by the new V10 400s. We've got ample space on the swim platform, walk-through door. We've got a freshwater washdown wand on the back side of the door. We've also got a freshwater output here. We've got our stern seating fold-out bench. On the back side of that is our dive door ladder. Our dive door is on the starboard side with the handrail. We've got two fish boxes, our bilge access, and we've got our live well back here. We also have port side stern seat in the cockpit, fold out. So if you wanted to use this space for a fishing room, you can clear it out of the way, or if you wanted to do entertainment, fold the seats down, and you've got ample seating for those aboard. As we go underneath the hardtop, we've got our sure shade, which extends out over the back to produce a little bit of refuge from the sun. We've got our summer kitchen grill that pulls out here, and then two tackle storage drawers that pull out. The seating here is reversible, so if you wanted to use the cockpit space as a dining area, this will flip forward. And as we go up to the cockpit, you'll see this cockpit table area. Walk around on either side, rod holders, and steps up to the hardtop. We've also got a wet bar here on the starboard side with our sink, cup holders, refrigerator, and trash receptacle. The port side dining area is really nice because you can have it set up as a dining table, and this will actually lower down so you can reverse the forward seat aft a little bit so you can face forward, and there's an insert cushion here to make it a full lounge chair. At the helm, we've got an adjustable pilot seat. We've got our Mercury digital throttle and shift, joystick. This boat is outfitted with trim tabs and a searchlight, and twin 16-inch Simrad displays. There is cabin and cockpit air conditioning on this boat. On the hardtop itself, we've got two vents on the full windshield, and then we have full height glass on the sides. So that's going to be really nice for protecting you up here in New England on the colder days, just to have it enclosed. And even on hot days, the back of the hardtop has a drop down weather curtain, so you can turn on the AC and keep it nice and cool in here. We also have hardtop hatches for ventilation. Coming down into the cabin, you'll notice that there's some natural light here from the top and then some windows on the side. We've got our wet head, pump out head, sink, storage shelf, storage cabinet, and mirror. On the port side, we've got our galley, electric stovetop, refrigerator, sink, microwave, and then our panels and switches are nicely hidden behind these drawers. Ample storage throughout. We've got slider drawers, storage underneath the seats up here in the dining area, which actually converts into a berth as well. This table will drop down. You can have this set up as a berth. Again, storage underneath the seats, and there's a TV on the starboard side wall facing forward. Underneath the steps, we have an aft cabin. It can be used as storage or as a sleeping space. We've got a drop-down curtain, slides across, and there's storage on the starboard side and port side. Moving up to the bow, we've got really nice stainless steel bow rails, and there's a grab rail on the hardtop. You'll see we've got our anchor windlass up here and rod holders, which double as a bow sunshade if you wanted to do some seating, lounging on the front of the boat. Again, really nice windshield, one piece. You've got the ventilation. Here's our spotlight. We've got the Simrad radar on top. You can see the hardtop hatches to open up. Really nice layout, perfect boat for here up in the Sound. And I'll show you more if you come on down to MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut. Again, this is the 2026 Boston Whaler 325 Conquest. Thanks for watching.